You long, like all of us, for refreshment of living water. A cold zip that transfers its energy to you. Remember, as more alive your food is, as more alive your water is, as more alive are you. My name is Nadeen Althoff. I'm a brewer, a natural beverage developer. I'm an expert on living water, and I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to show you how this kind of quality splashes out of your tap at home, bringing vitality to you and your family every day on a natural base. And I keep my promise.